Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the most frustrating parts of car repairs? Lack of updates during the repair process. Wondering what's happening to your car is stressful, and we make sure you're always in the loop with regular updates. Our team at Arts had a customer, Lisa, a local nurse who visited last month. Her 2018 Toyota Camry had a dented front fender from a parking lot scrape. Lisa was tired of shops that left her in the dark, never knowing her car's status. We promised her frequent updates and sent texts when parts arrived, called during key repair stages, and notified her the moment her Camry was ready. Our team fixed her car to perfection, and Lisa said, "Arts kept me informed every step. My car looks amazing." Here's how we do it. We provide updates via text, email, or phone, your choice, keeping you posted on parts, progress, and completion dates. From minor dents to major collision repairs, our Pomona shop ensures you're never left guessing about your vehicle's repair. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we pair quality repairs with clear communication. Hate being left out of the loop? Stop by or call for a free estimate and stay informed today. Ready for repairs with constant updates? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, keeping you informed always.